Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. This is called human life. When one understands the animal life, they do not understand what is suffering. The cats and dogs, they are thinking they are living very happily. But in the human life, they should come to the understanding that actually we are not living happily. We are being crushed by the wheel of time in so many ways. Nispindamana. When this sense comes, then he is a human being. Otherwise he is animal. If he is thinking that he is all right, that is 99.9% people think that I am all right. Even in the most abominable condition of life, that like the hog and dog, still he is thinking, I am all right. So long this ignorance will continue, he is simply animal. Jasyata buddhi kunapeti dhatu sadikkalatra disubhomo ijjati. This is going on. Atma buddhi tidhate. This body which is made of kamavitta vayu, everyone is thinking I have this body. The whole world is going on. Simply we, a few members of the Krishna consciousness movement, we are going door to door and trying to convince them, sir, you are not this body. They don't care for it. I am this body. I am Mr. John. I am Englishman, I am American, I am Indian. You say I am not this body. So, very difficult task. The Krishna consciousness movement to push on requires great patience, perseverance, tolerance. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order, Dinadapi Sunechena, Tarorapi Sahishnuna, Amanina Manadena, Kirtaniya Sada. So those who have taken to Krishna consciousness preaching word, they should always know that things are not going to happen so easily. Maya is very, very strong. Very, very strong. But still we have to struggle against Maya. It is a declaration of war. Maya is keeping the living entities under her control, and we are trying to save the living entity from her control. That is the difference. Karo Vasidta Vasidja Visagga Shakti. This Shakti, Visagga Shakti, is very, very strong. But it is under the control. Although she is very, very strong, but she is under the control of Krishna. Maya dhakshena pratiti swati sa characharam. Although Prakriti is acting so wonderfully, very, very, I would say, great task she is performing, then immediately the cloud comes. Now it is so bright. Within a second, a very big dark cloud may come and cause devastation. That is possible. These are the wonderful activities of Maya. But still, she is under the control of the Supreme Personality of God. We see this sun so big, 1400,000 times bigger than this heart. And you see morning, how quickly it gets up, like this. Immediately. The speed is 16,000 miles per second. So how it is being happy? Jasyagya brahmati samhritakala chakro govindamadi purusham tamaham. It is being done under the order of Govinda. Therefore he is Vibhu. He is great, but we do not know how great he is. Therefore we foolishly accept some pretender, some fraud as God. We do not know what is the meaning of God. That is going on. We are fools. We are blind, and another blind man leads us. I am God. You are God. Everyone is God. But God is not like that. Here it is said that God is He who Kāra Vasikita Visidya Visarga Shakti. He keeps control over the time factor and the creative energy. That is God.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,